Okay, pad thai was amazing, but I also remember eating some really good salads in Thailand. Can you prepare some typical Thai salad for us?
Of course, for the salad, I will bring you to the northern part of Thailand where we have the salad we call larb. First, we have to roast the rice, and we use this this is the sticky rice. You put this and stir until it's getting brown.
Okay. So no water, no oil, just...
No, this is like you do it for the smell, for seasoning. Not burn, but just golden brown.
All right.
Okay, it's quite brown now. Now we can put it in the mortar and then you grind it. All right, here are our ingredients. We start with the chicken. And you put some water so the chicken won't stuck.
So no oil, just
No
butter.
oil, just you just cook it until it's done. Yes, but
It's minced, right?
yes, minced chicken. Okay, now it's well cooked, so we can put some fish sauce. And also we squeeze some lime.
Okay. You love putting lime almost in everything.
Yes, everything, Thai food is kind of have a strong taste, spice. Yes. We sweet and we sour and we hot. Add some chili. That's
And
where's the rice?
the
Yes,
thing that I
that's
prepared
right,
for you,
that's
right?
right.
Okay.
And this will bring the good taste.
Should we put
Oops.
more of chili?
Oh, no, be careful. It will burn your mouth.
Well, I like spicy.
Now you can smell
The rice,
the
right?
rice, yes. All right, I see it's good. Now we add some green. We put some shallot and the spring onion, so it looks
What is
decorate.
this?
This is the coriander. And okay, we cook a little more. Now it smells nice. Then
And
we can decorate this with mint. And
you sure you don't want to put more chili?
Okay, you can put some.
Okay.
Be careful.
All right. Okay.
We are done. And
Ready?
to serve.
Okay.
And this larb, when you have it, sometimes we have it with the sticky rice.
I cannot wait to try your salad.
Let's do it.
Let's start. Huh? Not spicy.
I told you.
Yeah, you did.
That's why you have to have it sticky rice, so it will cut the taste of the spice and the chili.